Ready on the tracking shot. Follow the monkey through station 4. Steady now. Copy that. Maintaining pace. Looks good.
He's calm and stable. Good. Let's get him settled in the new enclosure smoothly.
The cardiac rhythm shows a transient tachycardia, correlating with the movement artifact here.
That's it, good job. Come on up, here's your treat, you earned it.
Excellent sorting. Place the red cube in the matching container.
Ready on the tracking shot. Follow the monkey through station 4. Steady now. Copy that. Maintaining pace. Looks good.
That's it, push the button. Well done, smart boy.
Track with the monkey. Cue the blue spot on the landing now. Perfect, hold that shot.
Right there, gently now. Perfect, well done.
And cut. That was perfect, everyone.
Ensure the branding is visible during the key moments.
We need to tighten the edit around the 3-second mark.
Experience nature's masterpiece. The new standard in exploration.
That is exactly what we needed.
The final cut is perfect.
Well done. Well done, everyone.
This campaign, featuring the incredible Proboscis monkey, is set to redefine our brand for a global audience.
This campaign is incredibly innovative. The way they use the monkey across all the platforms is amazing.
I agree. The interactive displays are fantastic.
Discover the essence of true luxury. From raw material to a global statement,
A toast to the resounding success of the campaign. Cheers!
The Proboscis monkey campaign has dominated the global market.
Absolutely. The engagement numbers are spectacular across the board. This campaign's cultural impact is unprecedented.
It's truly a phenomenon. Everyone is talking about the Proboscis monkey.
This is the best turnout yet. Everyone loves the design.
It really brings people together, doesn't it?
And so we return to the heart of Borneo, a testament to the enduring wild